Happy morning, dear friends. Here's yours, Dr. Rajanta. Welcome to Demystify with Ajay. Dear friends, artificial intelligence is not just a buzzword. It's the driving force behind a technological revolution that's transforming industry and redefining the global workplace. As artificial intelligence continues to evolve, so do the opportunities it creates, offering groundbreaking career paths that didn't exist a decade ago. Dear friends, by 2025, artificial intelligence is predicted to contribute over 15 trillion USD to the global economy. But this growth is not just about new algorithm or cutting edge system. It's about people, skilled professionals who are harnessing artificial intelligence to solve real world problems, design smarter solutions, and drive innovation across every sector. Dear friends, in today's session or video, we are diving it into 8 hottest artificial jobs of 2025, exploring the roles that are set to dominate the market. These are the careers that blend creativity with technology, offer high salaries, and empower individuals to shape the future of artificial intelligence. Whether you are a tech enthusiastic, a professional looking to pivot into artificial intelligence, or a student charting your career path, these roles will inspire you to think big and aim high. Let's explore the careers that will define the artificial intelligence driven era. The first one, artificial intelligence engineer. The hottest AI job, artificial engineers. Design, build, and deploy machine learning systems that solve real world challenges. Their expertise in programming language like Python, RStudio, and Scala allows them to create innovative models and systems. And here I just want to add, with an average salary of 155,918 USD per year, according to Built-in. AI engineers are the front foe of the AI revolution, blending creativity with technical acumen to develop solutions for industry ranging from healthcare to finance. Next it's a machine learning engineer. A top-ranking AI job, machine learning engineer. The specialize is optimizing algorithm and building machine learning pipelines, infrastructures, and platforms. They are the backbone of artificial intelligence systems, ensuring models are trained, evaluated, and deployed seamlessly into production. And dear friends, this role comes with an average salary 154,488 US dollar per year, as reported by Built-in, reflecting its critical importance in tackling complex business problems. Next, data science manager, a futuristic AI job, data science managers. They analyze large data sets, develop machine learning algorithms, and create statistical model to drive actionable recommendations. They bridge the gap between the data and the decision making, ensuring organizations stay ahead of the curve. And here, Glassdoor reports that this futuristic role offers an impressive average salary of 237,548 US dollar per year, making it a highly sought after positions. Next, artificial intelligence researcher, the fastest growing AI job. AI researchers focus on innovation by developing new machine learning techniques, publishing papers, obtaining patents, and speaking at conferences. Their work drives AI advancements and sets the stage for future applications. And here with an average salary of 145,915 US dollars per year, as noted by Glassdoor. This role is perfect for those who love combining creativity and cutting-edge research. Next, it's generative AI prompt engineer. The most attractive AI job prompt engineers act as intermediaries between machine learned models and users, creating and refining inputs to ensure the best outputs. In the rapidly growing world of generative AI, their expertise ensures that models like GPT deliver meaningful, accurate, and creative responses. With an average salary of $176,040 per year, according to Indeed, this role offers an exciting and dynamic career opportunity at the intersection of human creativity and artificial intelligence. Next, artificial intelligence solutions architect. A demanding AI job, AI solution architects design technical architecture and end-to-end AI systems, integrating them with the broader business infrastructure. This role requires a deep understanding of software engineering and project management to create AI-powered products that deliver real-world value. And dear friends, with a salary of 206,465 US dollar per year as reported by Glassdoor. This role offers both technical challenges and leadership opportunities. Next, artificial intelligence ethicist, a high growth AI job. As AI systems become more integrated into society, the role of the AI ethicist has never been more crucial. This role ensures that AI technologies are developed and used responsibly, prioritizing fairness, accountability, and transparency. With an average salary of 85,000 US dollar per year as per JIB recruiters, this role is perfect for individuals passionate about shaping the future of AI in the way that benefits all. Next, Chief AI Ethic Officer, a C-suite top tier AI job. At the highest level, the Chief AI Ethics Officer guides organization in implementing responsible AI practices. This role involves minimizing risk, auditing AI system, and ensuring ethical frameworks are in place across the organization's AI projects. With a salary of 319,537 US dollars per year noted by Glassdoor. This position offers an incredible opportunity to influence how AI shapes business and society at large. As we've seen today, the AI job market is booming with opportunities that go beyond traditional tech roles. From engineers and researchers to ethics and executive, AI professionals are helping to define the future of industry across the global. Dear friends, whether you are just starting your career or looking to pivot into artificial intelligence space, these high demand roles offer not only incredible salary potential, but the chance to work on the cutting edge of innovation. The future is now. Are you ready to be a part of it? Thank you for joining us today. If you found this content helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Demystify with Ajay. So don't forget to hit the bell icon for notification on the latest AI trends and career insights. Dear friends, let's keep learning, keep growing, and remember, every big leap starts with a small step. See you in the next video. Thank you. Happy learning.